Start Now is window communication redefined. With simple minimalist components, you can set up your best ever marketing communication in less time than it takes to make a coffee. Remove the protective film from the adhesive pad. Ensure the mounting surface is clean of any oils or residue. Select the position of your display and mount your first adhesive pad. Using your spirit level as a template, affix your second adhesive pad. This ensures the correct position of the pad with no guesswork. Attach the acrylic disc by screwing it in a clockwise direction until it seats against the glass. Continue tightening it until the silver cable holder is facing directly downwards. Push upwards on the spring-loaded cable holder and insert your cable. Continue feeding the cable through until it appears the right-hand side of the disc. Pull down on the cable to achieve your desired finished height. Repeat the same procedure for your second disc. Cut any excess cable at a point just adjacent to the disc. Hang your display from the pair of cables. Our remarkable pads can hold up to 7 kilograms with no risk of dislodgement. So you can create your own amazing displays using any of our LED panels, from either columns of A4s, A3s, A2s, or single A1s, panoramic banners, long and short, or our innovative new R60 round display. Install your visuals into the panels. Attach the power bar to the lower edge of the display screen. And enjoy Remarkable.